Hi guys, it's me Diana again. I'm doing my first steps as a ballerina and I'm so excited to share another ballet tips with you. Let's go! Today we're going to be talking about arm positions. In ballet, we always start from preparation, or in a French way, préparation. Your arms need to be a soft zero in front of you, rounded and active. Your elbows are engaged, not hanging, not locked. Everything feels supported. Okay, now let's see what my ballerina mom thinks.
Looking good, Diana, but let's see a little bit closer. So it's very important that our elbows are not hanging, they are active on the side. But at the same time, shoulders are open. Yeah, keep your shoulder blades down. Keep the line of your rounded arm shape soft. There shouldn't be any sharp elbows or sharp wrists or sharp fingers. It has to be a very soft, round line. And make sure you do not open your fingers down, but they are making a round shape underneath. Looks good? Well done.
Okay, let's talk about first position. From the preparation, lift your arms until your middle finger meets the belly button. Think of a perfect circle that never ends. And yes, my mom's already watching.
That's right, I'm always watching. So let's take a closer look. Make sure that elbows are not hanging as always. And now think of this circle going behind your back and not in front of your chest. So we want to have an open chest and shoulders reaching out on the sides. Shoulder blades down, fingers are soft, level of the belly button, chin up. Looks good?
Let's talk about second position. Open your arms wide but controlled. Your elbows are curved and your fingers are relaxed. Think of your elbows laying on the table. Pause here, mom check coming up.
Well done, Diana. Let's take a closer look. Elbows staying on the flat surface. Palms of your hand not facing down, but facing in. Fingers are relaxed. We have to have always air between our fingers. Shoulder blades down, chest open. From your shoulders, arms reaching to the side. Really wide position. And one more time, don't bring your elbows down. Otherwise, we're gonna get a chicken wing instead of the good second position. Well done.
Let's talk about third position. Take your preparation and flip it upside down. Your arms need to be round and soft. Usually my mom has something to say here.
That's right, Diana. I always have something to say. So keep your elbows on the side. Keep your palms looking towards your head. Make sure your arms are not hanging too much front. Keep it higher. Shoulder blades down, chest open, shoulders wide, and fingers are relaxed, keeping the round shape on the top. Great.
Let's talk about allongé. It means extend. Simply open your arms to make them longer. Let's hear what my ballet mom has to say about this.
Wow, that's an allongé. But let's take a closer look. Shoulder blades down, chest open, shoulders are wide on the side. Keep your elbows soft, but not too soft. A soft line in your elbows. Wrists are also soft and fingers are long, but not overstretched. Very good. Now bring your arms a little bit higher on the side. This allongé position we would take from the second position. And now we bring arms a little bit higher to a V-shaped position, and that's our high allongé position. Now you bring it down to allongé and up and down and up, and now you're almost flying like a swan.
So that's it. Check out other videos on our channel. Like and subscribe.